follow the sound, Eric. Rainbows. You remember the song from last week? Rainbows. Rainbows. Wow. Wow. Naomi likes it. She feels better. Let's all sing together. Try to match the pitch. It's okay if you can't reach it. It's very high for me as well. Rainbows. 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 Wow, you're excited siya. It's nice. Okay, since there's only 2 of us, teacher will let you tap on it so that you know how to produce the sound. Okay, here you go, honey. I'll get another stick for Eric. Teacher is going to get another stick for you. White cloud roll by. Eric, how about you? Don't eat. Hawaiian. Okay. Okay, it works as well. Would you like a bigger stick? No, Eric. This one lang for you. You're the same. Okay, this is for teacher. So that you can grip it better. There. Wow.
No, only the stick.
Wow. See, so we're going to dance to the song. Actually, we're going to do the movement. So while you're drumming, while you're using the chime bar, teacher's gonna show you the movement. Okay? We'll be standing up later, and then we'll go like this. Rainbows, white clouds roll by. You show your colors against the sky. Hawaiian rainbows, it seems to me. Move from the mountain, she's following Jimbo with her eyes, and down to the sea. Okay, and then teacher's gonna keep this so that we can all stand up and form and face our friends in one circle. So that we can sing and dance Hawaiian rainbows.